Thirikari kugerera kuri ministry ya ICT ni ikoretwo ikihingura sesheni cia guthomithia andu ethi kothi cia kuhuthira mitambo ya kompyuta na uhuthiri mwega wa nenda, muoroto ari kumahe ugi na gutura mieke ya mawira.
Been able to train over 1,500 students here. They have been able to do the training and the mentorship. Then in the outer part of Githongori constituency, we have been able to train over 4,000. So this is how we are able to achieve these numbers. We usually have collaborations with the churches, communities, and even the GAO offices, that the chiefs and the administration.
Gicigo kia ubunge gia Githongori ni kumwe ceceni ino igunite andu ethi aria riu magunikite na magakenera kuruta wira na guthukuma.
This program has reduced idleness, has improved security of the community, because many youths after leaving the school have been idle, and we have urged them to join these hubs for mentorship programs, which has increased their literacy skills. They have fostered entrepreneurship and the community as well. In matters of security, it is manageable.
Ona gukiri uguo ni marendekithia githomo giki gikirirwo na kuongererwo mathomo mangi ma kiriu maria maratorana na mahinda niguo mahote kuruta wira makiria.
Because pia kama sisi kama alumni, we also need some refresher courses kama AI umesikia, alafu cloud and multi-cloud infrastructure. I believe they are going to create jobs for us as trainers, ama as graduates.
Oho marenda sesheni ici kuongererwo na gukuhiriria matura mao niguo aingi makahota guthoma hatari garama nene.
That by the look of the inceptions and the way people have appreciated the program here at the Githongori Center, I recommend to have multiple centers in different wards so that all the youth can be able to benefit them at their own level.
Ningi makiendekithia kuguithirio thogora wa macini iria ciendekanaga marikia guthomithio kothi ici ta thimu na kompyuta niguo umwe akahota kugia na macini ya kumuhotithia guthukuma na kwiyandika wira.
Tuthondekerwo thogora tondu ni turathinika muno tukiambiriria tariu mundu aimite na cukuru oke kwambiriria horo wa uyu wa online rimwe ni ukoraga ti andu ingi mahotaga tondu wa ukoraga on kindu ta laptop, it's very expensive na taringi ni hindi urambiriria nduri.
Computer iria twina cio guku ni tijiganu guko andu othe magika practical, koguo niturakorwa mahinda twina andu aingi na computer ni nini njoke njuge ucio ungi ni
maya mothe makihuanikaga thirikari irorio gukinyia menyugi ya internet matura-ini ta uria yeranire niguo ikahuthirwo ni aria mamihuthagira kuruta wira na njira ino ni kunyihia namba ya andu ethi aria matari na mawira na makoragwo magietha mieke ino.
No tuge internet igikorwo ikinyite taru koguo ni ikinyite uria bataire ukorwo shopping center ini ciothe no iteithie nginya andu othe, no iteithie establishment ya hub ciothe na iteithie bado andu othe gukorwo magithoma internet, maundu mamwe ma internet tondu mamwe mamo ni mabataraga ona thimu, ona wina thimu yaku no uhote gwithomera.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Githongori kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Charles Gikunga wa Kariuki.